Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I'm your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, we have been given a triangle ABC. So let's name the triangle ABC. This is A, this vertex is B, and this vertex is C. Okay, and let's name the angle as angle A, angle B, and angle C. Now it has been given that two of the angles in the triangle are in the ratio 3:7 and the summation of those two angles is equal to the third angle. Now we know that the summation of all the angles of a triangle is 180 degree, that is the sum of interior angles of a triangle property, and it has been given that angle A upon angle B equals 3/7. We have considered these two angles ratio as 3:7. There is no hard and fast rule, you can take whatever angle you want. For example, you can take angle B upon angle C equals 3/7, then angle A will be equals angle B plus angle C, right? Now in this case, since we have taken angle A upon angle B equals 3/7, so from the second condition of the question, angle A plus angle B should be equals angle C. Okay, now when angle A upon angle B equals 3/7, then we can consider angle A equals 3k and angle B equals 7k, where k is a constant, because if we find out the ratio of A is to B, then k and k will cancel out each other and we will get 3/7. So our assumption is absolutely correct. Therefore, angle C will be equals angle A plus angle B, which is 7k plus 3k, which will be equals 10k. Now from the sum of all angles of a triangle property, we will have angle A, which is 3k, plus angle B, which is 7k, plus angle C, which is 10k, equals 180. Therefore, 10 plus 7 is 17, 17 plus 3 is 20. 20k will be equals to 180. Divide both sides of the equality by 20. So 180 upon 20 will give us 9. Now in the question, we have to find the value of the third angle, that is angle C. Therefore, angle C will be equals 10 multiplied by 9. So it will be 90 degrees. So this will be our final required answer. Thank you.